Breakout games. What a peaceful environment. Wait a second. What is this? The Jame Gam 13. I had little more than a day to make a game with the theme broken and the special rule apples. While Unity is still loading, let's try to draw some kind of an apple. I mean, it's not much, but it's honest work. While we are at it, let's draw a simple block. At first, I truly was going for the classic Breakout game. And then I got the idea. What if Breakout was a shooter game? So I made a turret. Let's add 3 walls so that the apple will collide on something. Now let's create a generate level function so that we have a base to work with. Wow, beautiful level design. Good job, beta. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Let's add some fabulous post-processing effects. And this is what it looks like now. I then added another wall at the bottom of the screen. I honestly have no idea why. It was time to create a physics material 2D for the apple. We want it to bounce like crazy, so set bounciness to 1. Okay, so it's bouncing alright, but for some reason I'm losing all the angle velocity. Oh yeah, that explains it. You don't want friction. Wow, it's working perfectly. Awesome. We now have a basic Breakout engine. Let's add some particles using Unity's particle system. I love particles. Let's draw a bullet. Took me quite a lot of time, but I finally have... What is happening? Okay, this is getting better. Kind of. After a few more tries, I made it so that you can change the direction of the apple using the bullets. Let's now create a broken tile sprite to fit the theme. Neat. Okay, cool, but where is the broken tile texture? Awesome. I also made it so that each level could generate already broken blocks. Oh no, beta, what are you doing? Don't do it. Okay, so this is pure madness, but I don't even care, I'm keeping this. What on earth is happening here? What is this? This is so trippy. Apparently it only happens when you shoot towards the bottom. You can now shoot the blocks using the bullets themselves. I mean, if you want to. Let's add some sounds using BFXR. Next step was to create a UI and a score system. Are you getting this arcade feel? Because I do. Okay, now each time that you destroy a block, you have 50% chance of creating another apple, one of my favorite feature. And if you complete a level, another one is instantly generated. Let's add some more particles, purely because I can. Okay, so I recorded some voices. Here we go.
Out of apples. Breakout. Breakout. Breakout.
I then thought about a cute animation, but instead of using Unity's animation system, I coded it entirely. Yeah, I'm that stupid. Of course, first attempt didn't work quite as expected. But then...
Breakout.
It's so cool!
Out.
I then added a tiny slow motion effect that would lead to this.
Breakout.
And I added another animation for the game over transition.
Out of apples.
By then it was time to add a game over menu. And this is what it looks like in game.
Out of apples.
Let's add a tiny little tutorial at the beginning of the game. Let's create music with FL Studio. So this was my first attempt. And this is the music I picked. In order to create an all-screen effect, simply create a 2-pixel tall texture, a white pixel on top, and a transparent pixel at the bottom. In Unity, make it black and transparent, and this is what it looks like in game. I then added some diversity to the level generator with 4 different kind of patterns. Okay, final steps were to create a screen shade effect, to add more colors, and one last particle system.
Breakout.
And there, the game is done in about 7 hours.
Breakout. Out of apples.
That's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like. And if you want to see more game dev videos, consider subscribing. And I'll see you next time.